How to add subtitles in PowerDirector. Now, in order to add subtitle in PowerDirector, you just simply need to create a new project or open an existing project where you want to add subtitles. Now, after opening the project and importing your clip, you will get to see this text option directly into this page. Just simply tap to text and then you will get this auto caption option in order to add the subtitles, or you can add text and manually manage the times into the video, and you can put subtitles into video that way, but that will take too long. So just simply go to auto captions and then you will need subscription to use this. If you don't have subscription, you have to use the text option and put subtitles manually. But if you have subscription, you can go into this page and then just simply select the language source for your captions, and then you can choose the templates whichever you want to use for your subtitles. Just simply pick the one which you feel the best for your video, and after that you need to select the audio source, which audio source you want to use for the subtitles, either the video sound or the track sound. Just simply select that, and then you can create bilingual caption, means you can select more language to create subtitles than one. Just simply select the language if you have any bilingual languages, then tap to start, and after that the subtitle will be generated into this video this way. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.